Good morning, students. Students, as you know, we are doing 20th unit, that is pictorial representation of data. In previous lectures, we studied how we can represent an information through a pictograph. In this last two lectures, we will study how we can prepare a pictograph and how we can study the pictograph. Clear? Now, what the information given in pictograph, we all learn about it. So, students, we have some another method by which we can represent an information. As you know, a pictograph is very time consuming, and second, it needs an artistic hand to draw a pictograph. So we have some other methods by which we can represent given information. So our second method is bar graph. Bar graph. So students, in this lecture, we can study how we can prepare, how we can represent an information through a bar graph. First of all, I will explain what is bar graph. To explain this, we will consider an example, that is, now students, open your books, page number 285. Now, this is an example. In this example, consider the following information about the number of absentees on a particular day in various classes of a school. Now, we can see we have a table. This table is divided into two parts. First part is in first part classes shown first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Then in second column, we have number of absentees. 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, 3. So this table shows the number of absentees uh, in a school on a particular day. For example, in first standard, 3 students are absent, and in second class, 5 students absent. Then third, 2 students absent. Fourth, sixth, fifth, one, sixth, three. Now students, represent this information through a bar graph. Now we will prepare a bar graph to represent this information. Okay, students, this is our bar graph. To draw a bar graph, first we will draw x-axis and y-axis. Yes, students, we will use graph paper or a squared sheet to draw a bar graph. So first we will draw x-axis and y-axis. Then take a scale. In this bar graph, two units show 1. On x-axis we have classes, class first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. On x-axis we take classes, and on y-axis number of absentees. In y-axis number of absentees. So choose a scale. 2 boxes represent 1 student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our scale. Now students, prepare a pictograph. In first standard, 3 students are absent. So this is your first column. Leave 2 boxes, then start from third box. 3 students are absent. So draw a bar. to represent 3 students in class first are absent. Next, beta, in second bar, in second class, we have 5 students are absent in this class. So draw one more, leave 2 boxes. Then second bar, 5 students are absent. Yes, friends, we will draw these bars with the help of scale and pencil. Yeah. Next, in third class, 2 students are absent. Then draw a bar, 2 students absent. In third standard. Next is in fourth standard, 6 students are absent. Six students are absent. This bar shows 6 students absent in sixth standard. Next, in first class, 5 students are absent. So draw a bar to represent this. In fifth standard, only 1 student absent. Now last, in sixth standard, 3 students are absent. So then color all different colors in these bars to make this graph more effective. Clear, students? So this is a bar graph which shows the information given in this box. Now one more example. Consider one more example. And this is below are given the number of different brands of cars observed in a parking lot on a certain day. Now we have in first column we have brands of cars. In second column we have number of cars. Hyundai 10 cars, Maruti 5, Mahindra 3, Toyota 7 and Tata 8. Now represent this information through a bar graph. Yes, students, draw x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we have brand of cars, and on y-axis we have number of cars. Now first brand is Hyundai. In Hyundai we have 10 cars. So choose a scale here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 4 boxes, shows 2 cars. Now in Hyundai brand we have 10 cars. So draw a bar to represent this information. Clear, students? Next second brand is Maruti, 5 cars. So with the help of pencil and scale, draw a bar. It shows Maruti. Number of cars are 5. So we will draw 4 and 6 in center. 5. This is 4, then 5, then 6. Take at center and draw a bar. Next is Mahindra, 3 cars. Now this line is 2 and this is 4th, and third is between 2 and 4. This is third. Now draw a bar. Next is Toyota 7. This line 6 and this is 8. And 7 is between 6 and 8. This point is 6 and this point is 8. And point 7 is between them. This is 7. So draw a bar to represent this information. Last is Tata. Tata, eight cars are there. So draw a bar. Clear, students? Now we'll discuss few questions of exercise 71. Now, first question of exercise 71. Yes, friends. Use graph paper, pencil and scale to prepare a bar graph. Your first question is number of different fruits in a fruit basket are given. In this column we have two columns. First part shows fruits, then in second we have number of fruits. First fruit is apple, 6. Next, banana, 4. Apricot, 5. And oranges are 8. This is our table. Fruits or number of fruits in a fruit basket. Apples, banana, apricot and orange. Yes, students. First we will draw x-axis and y-axis to represent this information. Yes, students. On x-axis take fruits, and on y-axis number of fruits. Clear, students? Now choose scale. So 0, this point is 0, and this is 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then 10. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, apples. There are 6 apples in this fruit basket. So, draw up to 6 first. Leave this block and draw a bar. So, fruit is apple. Clear, friends? Next, second fruit is banana. There are 4 bananas in this basket. So then now leave one block, then draw a bar up to 4. 4 opposite here. Draw a bar. Yes, students, you will choose scale and pencil to draw these bars. Banana. Next is apricot. 5 apricots are there in this basket. So we will draw next bar up to 5. Yes, friends, this is 4 and this point is 6. 4 and 6. 5 lies between 4 and 6. This point is 5. This point 5. So was it here 5? Apricot. Clear, students? Last is orange. Oranges. There are 8 oranges in this basket. So 8 lies here. Oranges. Yes, students, this is first question of exercise 71. This is a bar graph which shows an information in first question given. The information is number of different fruits in a fruit basket. Number of different fruits in a fruit basket. Now represent this information through a bar graph. So method is, friends, first we will draw x-axis, then y-axis. On x-axis we take fruits. On y-axis we take number of fruits. Now students, choose scale. I choose 2 units for 2 fruits. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now first fruit is apple. There are 6 apples. Now then draw a bar. Next fruit is banana. Then apricot, there are 4 bananas. Then apricot, 5 apricots in this basket. And last is orange. So student, this is a bar graph to represent this information. Clear, students? Next is second question. Now second question is, in second question, number of cheese packets sold, number of cheese packets sold at a particular store on various days of a week. So we have 2 columns. First head day, then number of packets sold. So first we will prepare a table which shows the information given. First days, number of packets sold, number of packets sold. Yes, students. First, Monday. Monday, 9 packets. Then Tuesday, 3 packets. Wednesday, 6 packets. Thursday, 12. Friday 6, and Saturday 15. Monday 9, Tuesday 3, then 6, 12, 6 and 15. So this table shows the number of cheese packets sold in a particular store on various days of a week. So yes, friends, now we will represent this information through a bar graph. Draw x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, we show days of week. Now on y-axis, we shows number of packets. Number of packets sold. Yes, friends, now choose scale. I'm choosing one box to represent 2 packets. This point is 0. I'm choosing one box, 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 2 packets. 2 just wait. Yes. Second box 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Yes, friends, here you can choose scale of your choice. We also choose 2 units for 2 students, but I choose 1 unit for 2 packets. I choose 1 unit for 2 packets. Clear, students? Now, on Monday, 9 packets were sold. 9 packets. This block is represent Monday. 9. This is 8 and this point is 10. 8, 10. 9 lies between them. This point. This point is 9. This is 8 and this is 10. And point 9 lies between 8 and 10. This point is 9. So draw a bar. Day is Monday. Next is Tuesday. 3 packets. Yes, friends, this is 2 and this point is 4. And point 3 lies between them. 2, 4. Between them, this point is 3. Tuesday. Yes, friends. Next is Wednesday. 6. This is 4, 6. Wednesday 6. Thursday 12. Thursday 12. This is 10, 12. This. Thursday 12. Friday 6. This is 4, 6. And last is Saturday 15. Yes, students, this is 40. This point is 16. So 15 lies between 14 and 16. This point is 15. Saturday. Yes, students, this is second question of exercise 71, which shows this bar graph shows the number of cheese packets sold in a week. Clear, students? Now, last question of this exercise. Now, your third question is, number of salesmen of a company visiting different cities of India. Now, we have two columns, cities and number of salesmen. First, we'll prepare a table. First column, city. Then second is number of salesmen. Number of salesmen. First city is Delhi. 8 salesmen. Next is Surat. In Surat, 2. Chennai, 10. Then Jaipur, 4. And Kolkata, 6. Yes, friends. Now choose scale. Yes, friends, I'm choosing 2 units for 2 salesmen. This is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Yes, friends, now represent this information through a bar graph. Now you focused on x-axis, we take cities. City on x-axis, city, and on y-axis, number of salesmen. number of now first it is Delhi. In Delhi 8 salmons. 8, 6, 8, up to 8. City is Delhi. Sorry, 8 salmons. Yeah. Next city is Surat. Now leave 2 columns, then a bar, Surat. In Surat, 2 salmons, 2. Draw a bar up to 2, Surat. Yes, friends. Next city is Chennai. In Chennai, we have 10 salmons. Now leave 2 columns, then draw a bar up to 10. 10. Now city is Chennai. Next leave 2 columns, then Jaipur. In Jaipur, 4 salmons. 4. Jaipur. And last city is Kolkata. In Kolkata, we have 6 salmons. 6, up to 6. We draw a bar up to 6. This is Kolkata. Yes, friends, this is a bar which shows the information in third question given. Yes, friends, in this question, information is given number of salesmen of a company visiting different cities of India. So in Delhi, 8 salesmen, Surat 2 salesmen, Chennai 10, Jaipur 4, and Kolkata 6. Now students will represent this information through a bar graph. For this, draw x-axis and y-axis. Next axis we show cities. Then on y-axis, number of salesmen. In Delhi, 8. So draw a bar up to 8.